I'm sitting in my car with an issue that I think plagues a lot of us. We got this cord here and we've got all of this mess, and we want to simplify our vehicle. And you know, they make devices that basically can take an older car like this 2019 Chevrolet Silverado and convert it to a wireless CarPlay. So I use an iOS device, and I partnered up with a company called Binize. And Binize is a wireless CarPlay adapter company, and they're going to help me remove this wire. And here it is right here. And so let's unbox this thing. This is a really, really handy little dongle. Just check it out. Simple to install. You just plug it directly in, or use the included USB-C to USB-A device. You basically take this dongle out of the box. Okay, this is how it basically comes. Comes just like that. Comes with an instruction box. Comes with a USB-C connector, so I can connect to a USB-C to a USB-A. Or I can connect, if you have it direct connection, you can connect directly up. So in my case, I'm just going to connect directly up to my CarPlay. So it's this simple. I just plug it in and then I turn on my vehicle. It's connected. Now, if you watch really close here, you'll see that it's blinking. Blinking means that I'm not connected. Okay, I'm not connected to my vehicle. To initially set it up, you have to locate it on your phone. So you basically go to your Bluetooth settings, and on your Bluetooth settings, you'll have this app right here. It says AI box BT not connected. So that is my wireless Bluetooth that is iOS compatible. So when I turned it on, I had to select that. All right, so let's watch what happens. So immediately when I start up my vehicle, and wirelessly, it will connect automatically. It says CarPlay Android Auto, bang, and you're on. That's how fast and how well this thing works. So now I am completely wireless, just like all the newer cars in CarPlay. So pretty cool, isn't it? See, bang, I got everything. Got my maps. I get everything that I use that I would be using with a cable or with a wired connection. All right, dead random. Wireless adapters, all right, for CarPlay. So check out the link in the description. All right, dead random. And now we are CarPlay connected. And like I said, right from the start.